Okay, so I know I need to cover that hole. I saw someone use a fiberglass option with a resin thing online. Again, this is a budget build, so I want to try this, see if it works. If it doesn't, I can always go get it weld. But I want to try this, see if it works, see if it'll hold up. Like I said, this is a project vehicle, because it's not a daily vehicle. It's not anything I need to be super perfect. I just need to get it to an okay place, comfortable, ride around with it, carry stuff I need to carry, and that's it. So let's see if this works. I don't know. I'm curious to try, and we'll see the results in the next clip or tomorrow, because I have to let it dry for 2 hours. So we'll see the results probably tomorrow. Okay, so I have two pieces I want to try. Like I said, I'm going to try this area. I kind of bent it up a bit. We'll try this area, and then I have a hole here. We'll try this area and go from there. So let me go get the product mixed up. We'll come back and lay it down, and we'll see. All right, let's start with the small one first. Probably not doing this right. Should have put some down to let it stick. It's okay. Okay, this one, I'm gonna put some on the edges first where I do this to kind of like seal it. I'm not a professional, so don't come for me. Just a girl who's learning. I'm just getting this so it can stick. Like some glue. I saw this one guy do a freaking mess. So I used to smell the smell as a child. This is what they used to, because this definitely smells familiar. She's strong as fuck. Alright. So I just put it there to kind of like stick to it with some glue. If that makes sense. They said 2 to 3 inches around the perimeter. So I think this should be good. And we paint this on heavy, because this is a lot. So what they use at the bottom of pools. So the other area I want to get here is the trunk. I know you can't see that, but that's not sanded down, so I'm not gonna get that yet. I thought I was recording regular, but I was doing a time lapse. So I just did this section here. So it was a little small section. And then just broke something. Oh yeah. Okay. I did this section, and then this section as well. So we'll come back tomorrow. We'll see what it looks like. I may do a double layer on this one. It extend the whole thing, but we'll see. Again, it's a tester, it's a beater project. It's nothing crazy. We'll go from there and see if it worked out. And yeah, I'm excited. I can even probably do this section here if I wanted to, but I gotta get this like put together. I think I'm gonna use that. I think I'm gonna use this fiberglass for a lot of the projects. Even here, I think what I'm gonna do here is put some type of filler here and like try to make this as smooth. Like, you know, try to put something in here and make it look smooth as possible. It's not gonna look perfect, but just something. And anything else that's super bad, which is not a lot. It's not a lot of things that's super bad, and just that section. Yeah, so we'll see tomorrow. Okay, I came to check on the fiberglass and see what it did. It smells of fiberglass in here. So this is pretty hard. Let's see, this is pretty hard. I don't think I'm gonna keep it like this. I may add one more layer just to see. Again, this is my budget bill. Dang, the glass almost. Tell me up. It's pretty hard. Pretty hard. I would say a success. It's pretty hard. That's pretty cool. Check the other side. Even under here, it's pretty hard. Pretty hard. I would say it's a success. I am going to add something else to that big hole. I'm not gonna keep that there. I think I'm gonna add like some type of thin wire material I heard about. But yeah, anywho, not bad. Come up with something else to make sure it's secure and solid and go from there. Okay, so there's a problem with this door, with the lock itself, and also this. This is supposed to be holding the door a certain way, and it's having issues. Show you. So we're gonna check on that and see what's it. Even this is having issues even when you hit the button. It doesn't do anything. I want to prop this door up with my lift and see